Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Riu in Trelawney. This is a 700 room hotel that's being built in Cooper's Pen, Trelawney. Now you can access this hotel very easily from the Northern Coastal Highway. To the right of this hotel is Royalton, and to the left of it is another hotel that's being built, Excellence at Oyster Bay. Massive hotel. So this area is one of the fastest growing tourist areas in Jamaica. The beach is amazing. We're going to show you pictures of it next time. But Riu is building this hotel, 700 rooms. This will be the 7th hotel that Riu has in Jamaica. And as you can see, it's a massive structure. Massive. And I have to say, this project is moving at lightning speed. I mean, you don't see a lot of workers today, but the last time we were here, there were so many people working that I commented that I've never seen so many workers on a project before. I mean, they're really moving very fast. And this hotel started, I think, just after COVID ended. It was the first Riu was the first foreign company to start construction of a hotel since COVID. And the only other one was Sandals, but Sandals is a local Jamaican brand. Riu is not a Jamaican brand. So Riu was the first foreign investor to break ground on a hotel in Jamaica since COVID-19. Second hotel started since COVID-19 as Sandals was the first. And the name of this hotel is Riu Aquarelle. And it's costing between US 80 and 100 million to build this hotel. But it's coming along nicely. And this hotel will provide 800 construction jobs. And believe you me, those construction workers are working. This hotel is going up very quickly. Very impressive to see how fast this hotel is going up. And as we said, Riu has 6 other hotels in Jamaica. This will be the 7th. They have 3 hotels in Montego Bay: Riu Palace Jamaica, Riu Montego Bay, and Riu Reggae. And they have 2 hotels in Negril and 1 hotel in Ocho Rios. So this one is the 7th one, which is going to be in Trelawney. And all these areas are prime tourist areas. Very, very popular areas. Montego Bay, Negril, Ocho Rios, and Trelawney. And all these areas are connected to each other and the Sangster International Airport via the Northern Coastal Highway. And the highway is going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So the highway that you would take to get to Trelawney, which is this hotel, is going to be expanded. And it's because the highway, so many people use it. So many hotels are going up in Jamaica. I've never seen so much construction at any one time in Jamaica. It's amazing the amount of hotels, the amount of apartments, office buildings, call center buildings. They're actually building buildings specifically for call centers now. So it's amazing at what's going on in Jamaica. Alright guys, so this is the Northern Coastal Highway I was telling you about. It connects from Negril to Montego Bay, then Montego Bay all the way back to Portland. And Montego Bay is very important because that's where the Sangster International Airport is. So the corridor between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So this section that we're driving on is in Trelawney. So this section will be upgraded to 4 lanes. They'll put in a dual carriageway and it will be a very nice highway. This road was built to accommodate, I think it was 10,000 cars or 15,000 cars a day. But with all of the activity going on in Jamaica, especially on the north coast, more than 15,000 cars use this road a day. So they're expanding it to a dual carriageway, which is 4 lanes, and up to between 30 and 50,000 cars a day can use this road easily. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these projects, and we'll keep you guys updated on the hotel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, because we give you update videos on all the major projects every 2 weeks, and all the other projects we give you update videos on every month. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.